What's up, y'all? I'm back with another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how I make my infamous My Hustle Looks Different tee. I also have some bonus gems later in this video. If you want to create this same tee, I'll have everything you need down below in the description. Go into Cricut Design Space and hit New Project. Over here, we're going to upload an image. Go to Upload Images and hit Browse. Here you want to download your image and upload it to Cricut Design Space. And here you want to hit Complex, Continue. Here we want to remove all of the white areas by using the background remover. So just click on the white areas and hit Apply and Continue. This is a cut image, so we're going to click Cut Image and Upload. And once you've uploaded it, it should appear with all of your other uploads, so just click it and add it to the canvas. So now the image will appear much larger, but I usually downsize my image to 11 width and 6 height because I like my image to appear on my tee a little wider. So in this image, I want the word different to be flipped around. So I got a little trick that I use. I'll go over to Shapes and click on a square and put the square over the word that I want to be moved away from the rest of the letters. So I'm putting the square on top and sizing it over the whole word different. So now here I'm going to click on the whole image with the square and everything and go down to the bottom and hit Slice. Slice cuts the word out of the image. So now we're going to remove the first 2 layers of the word. That's one, and we're going to hit it and delete it. And then there's another gray area on top. We're going to hit that one and delete it. Now different should move around. So there we have it. So now I'm able to do it the way I want it. So I'm going to go up and hit flip horizontal. And that's how I want it. So now here I'm just going to size it to where I want it. So now we're going to hit Make It. But I made a mistake. So you see how the word different is up under everything else when they're all going to be the same color. So we're going to hit Cancel and go back. So I'm going to click on the whole image and hit Attach and then Make. And now everything is together. Now here we're going to mirror the image. When you're using HTV, you're always going to want to mirror your image. Don't forget, that's a big step. And now we're going to hit Continue. So here, my computer is trying to connect to my Cricut Bluetooth. So once it connects, now we're going to hit Everyday Vinyl and Continue. Now it's time to create Magic. So we're going to turn on the Cricut and open it. So the low indicator light should be blinking. And now I'm just preparing my mat. Those clips I used, I got those from Dollar Tree. They're just to hold the vinyl onto the mat. And now here I'm just taping the top of the vinyl to the mat because for some reason it won't stick. Now I'm going to hit load. Now I'm going to hit cut. And now Cricut is doing its magic. Now that the Cricut is done cutting, we're going to hit unload. This is what your computer screen looks like when your image is done cutting. Now in this part, we're just going to take the vinyl off of the mat. I flip mine backwards and pull it off. So now we're going to cut the image away from the rest of the vinyl. And now the fun part, let's start weeding. We're going to weed out all of the excess vinyl from the image. So here's a little trick that I learned. I wrap blue masking tape around my fingers just to catch the little pieces of vinyl. Now we're all done weeding. It looks great. Now we're going to head over to the heat press and we're going to use 310 temperature and 30 seconds for the timer. Here I'm just using my lint roller before I apply heat to the shirt. So now I just fold the shirt in half and apply heat to it to get the extra moisture out and to create a center point on my tee. Here I'm folding my image in half to create a center point. So I line the two center points up together and use my t-shirt ruler. And now I'm just finding the center of the shirt. Now that the image is centered on the shirt, we're going to apply a Teflon sheet on top. Now it's time to apply the heat. So I apply medium pressure and start the timer. This is a hot peel, so immediately when I take the heat away, I can automatically start peeling the plastic backing off. Woo, hunty, that is crude. Ha! All right, now back to business. In this clip, I'll be weeding out labels, which is my logo that I apply inside of my tees. This part is very tedious. So now that I'm done weeding out the label, I'm going to grab my mini press and heat it up and wait till the indicator light turns green. So I'm going to grab the garment, get the label in, fold the label in half to find a center point. Now here I'm just laying the image on the inside of the shirt. So now that the indicator light is green, I can go ahead and press. So I'm going to apply medium pressure for about 30 seconds. And this mini press packs some punch, so it gets pretty hot. So here I'm just going to let it cool off a minute before I peel it off. So now I'm just going to peel off the plastic. And wham, we're done. Yay! This shirt looks so cute. Oh my God. Yes. So I decided to give this t-shirt to a member of the YouTube family that just got monetized. She is going to be so happy to receive this tee. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.